Hello and welcome to goodoldtalk.com. This is the 7th in the series of videos on the goodoldtalk.com website. This video will demonstrate how to find and comment on someone else's blog. As I mentioned previously, anything you see written in blue is a link to another page. This means that when you see the name of another user written in blue, if you click on their name, you'll be taken to their personal blog. Here is your name in blue to go to your blog, and Good Old Talk's name to go to the Good Old Talk blog. To find the names of other users, you can scroll to the bottom of the home page to see the 3 people who have most recently written on their blogs, or you can use the topics, the 3 people who have most recently written in the topics. If you would like a larger list, go through your Talk About Me page and use your Search Users button. This button will take you to the people who are most recently online but who have not necessarily posted. If we click on someone else's profile page or their blog, you will see that each one has an identical setup. You can read their blog posts, you can view their photos, you can see when they were last online, how many posts they have submitted, what level they are on, and so on. As a user visiting their blog, you have options to contact them. The first is to send them an email. The second is to write them a comment. Firstly, to send them an email, click on the Email User button, in this case email Rahana Davis, and you will see on the form which appears, it is from you and to her. Here is where you would type the subject of your email. Here is where you would type the body of your email prior to clicking the Send Email button. Clicking on this link will allow you to send this email through Good Old Talk directly to the email address that this person submitted when they first signed up. This means that what you are writing here is a private email, not viewable by anybody else in Good Old Talk. If, however, you try to send them an email using this link and you receive the message "access denied, you are not authorized to access this page," then this means that the user you are trying to email, in this instance Rahana Davis, has changed their security settings under their edit profile page and deselected the personal contact form settings. They have made themselves uncontactable, and this means that no one is able to email them, and you will have to find a different way of communicating with them. To do this, we can write them a comment. So we'll click on her name to go back to her blog, and there are 2 different ways to write her a comment. If we would like to comment on this particular blog post, we can click on the section which says Add New Comment. You can see again on this one there is a section with Add New Comment. On some of her blog posts, other people have already commented. On this one, Present Day Scrooge, we will see that there is 1 comment already. Should we choose to add an extra comment to that, click where it says 1 comment and we can read her blog post, the comment written by Linda Field. We can write in a comment here. Notice that the site has already written our name, and then click on Post to post it to the site. If we don't want to comment on any particular blog post but we would like to write her a comment, we can do that in the General Comments section. You will see that back on her blog page right at the bottom. So if we scroll down to the bottom of her blog page, and you can see that this is blog page number 1 of at least 6 pages that she has. She also has 10 photos, so we get down to the bottom of the photos, you will see a section called Comments. This is the General Comment section. So if we want to type a comment in here, this is a test comment. Click on the word Post. This will save it to the site. If we scroll back down, we will see that our comment has been added. From Jane Citizen, when this is a test comment. Should we choose to not have that anymore, we can delete that for ourselves. Click on Delete. You'll be taken to a page asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete this comment? Confirm will delete it for us. So what we have done is looked at how to find users through the Search Users button, how to comment specifically on a blog post, how to comment generally at the bottom of the page, and should you choose to write them something which cannot be read by anyone else on Good Old Talk, how to send them an email. Thank you very much for watching. Our next video will be on how to copy information from a blog over to a post in the forums.